In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a printable as a PDF file in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click and which options to choose so your design is ready to print with crisp, professional results. Start by opening the project you want to save as a PDF. Make sure you're on the correct design and that everything on your canvas looks the way you want it to appear when printed. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the Canva editor. You'll see the Share button. Click that to open the sharing and export options. Inside that menu, find the download option and click it. This brings up the download settings, which is where you'll choose the format your file will be saved in. Look for the file type dropdown. From this list, select either PDF Standard or PDF Print. Here's the difference in simple terms. PDF Standard is optimized for smaller file sizes, making it great for digital sharing, quick previews, or basic home printing where file size matters more than fine detail. PDF Print is the best choice when print quality is your top priority. It saves your design at a higher resolution and preserves details more faithfully, which is ideal for professional printing or when you want your colors and edges to look as sharp as possible. If you're creating a printable you'll hand out or sell, PDF Print is generally the safer bet. You'll also see an option to choose the color profile. If you want your colors to align more closely with what commercial printers use, switch the profile to CMYK. CMYK is designed for print workflows and can help reduce unexpected color shifts between your screen and the printed result. If you leave it as is, you're likely using an RGB profile, which is fine for on-screen viewing but can look different on paper. Selecting CMYK before downloading gives you a more print-accurate file. Once you've chosen PDF Standard or PDF Print and adjusted the color profile if you prefer CMYK, you're ready for the final step. Click Download. Canva will process your design and generate the PDF. Depending on your design's size and complexity, this may take a moment. When it's finished, your PDF will save to your computer, and you can open it to preview or share it with a printer. If you picked PDF Print, keep in mind the file can be larger, which is normal for higher quality. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Share, choose Download, select your PDF type, pick the color profile if needed, and download your file. You're set with a clean, print-ready PDF from Canva.